Dear students, today we discuss the first model paper from SSLC board. I have tried to answer them and also tried to explain the answers. At the same time, the other possible questions related to the some lesson also. I tell you, so follow that. I wish you all the best. You can participate in this quiz. See the model question paper, Karnataka State Education Examination Board 2020 and 21 Social Science MCQ question with answer. The first one MCQ question. Francisco de Almeida implemented Blue Water Policy, War and Negotiation Policy, Divided and Rule Policy, Doctrines of Lapse Policy. Yes, the right answer is A. The Blue Water Policy. Blue Water Policy was implemented by the Francisco de Almeida. Second one MCQ question. Salbai agreement was signed to ended the first Anglo-Mysore War, first Anglo-Maratha War, first Anglo-Sikh War, first Carnatic War. Yes, it is the right answer is a first Anglo-Maratha War. Third one MCQ question. Fauzudari Adalat is. See, Fauzudari Adalat is civil code, revenue code, criminal code, consumer code. During the British period, they established the two court. One is Fauzudari Adalat Code, another one Diwani Adalat Code. See, the right answer is a Fauzudari Adalat is a criminal code and a Diwani Code is a criminal code. Fourth MCQ question. The Governor General during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War was Lord Wellesley, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Cornwallis and Lord Ripon. Yes, the right answer is a Lord Wellesley. Is the Governor General during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Fifth one MCQ question. The social reformer who declared back to Vedas. Who declared back to Vedas? Rajaram Mohan Rai, Swami Vivekananda, Narayan Guru and Dayananda Saraswati. See, the right answer is a Dayananda Saraswati. He also implemented the back to Veda and also Suddhi Chadwali. These are the importance of the two implementations in the Dayananda Saraswati. And sixth one question. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi revolted against the British due to subsidiary alliance, war and negotiation policy, divided and rule policy, and doctrines of lapse policy. The right answer is the doctrines of the lapse policy. Rani Lakshmi Bai was one of among the bravest soldier in India. She fought and died in the war field. So Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai opposed the doctrines of lapse policy and she joined the hand with the Nana Sahib and Tatya Topi. Seventh one MCQ question. Ras Bihari Ghose and Madam Kama are the leaders of revolutionaries, moderate, radicals, extremists. You know very well, the right answer is a revolutionaries. Dear student, in addition to this you may have the questions like a W.C. Banerjee, M.G. Ranade or Mahadev Govinda Ranade. They belongs to the moderate groups. Likewise, Lal, Bal, Pal. So may have these are the radicals. Lal Bal Pal means Lala Lajpat Rai, Bala Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. These are the radicals. Ras Bihari Ghose and Madam Kama are the leaders of the revolutionaries. Eighth one MCQ question. The founder of Indian National Congress is Mahatma Gandhi ji, AOU, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. The right answer is a Allen Octavian Hume. Allen Octavian Hume is the founder of the Indian National Congress. And ninth one MCQ question. Forward Back was founded by Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. The right answer is yes, it is Subhash Chandra Bose. Later, he joined with Ras Bihari Bose in Japan and developed the Indian National Army INA. The right answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. And 10th one MCQ question. Lala Lajpat Rai was killed during the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, the protest against Simon Commission, non-cooperation movement, the Salt Satyagraha. Lala Lajpat Rai was killed during the protest against the Simon Commission, Simon Go Back Commission, the protest against the Simon Commission. And 11th one MCQ question. Mahatank and Kalaram temple movement were organized to protest against the practice of untouchability, visit of Prince of Wales, proposal of Cripps mission, arrest of Gandhi at Dundee. Which is the right answer? Right answer is a protest of untouchabilities. Because of untouchable were not allowed to the touch water in a Mahad tank, and they were not allowed to Kalaram temple. That purpose Dr. B.R. Ambedkar initiated this movement and he was a successful. And 12th one MCQ question. The word added to preamble through 42nd amendment of constitution are republic and democracy, socialist and secular, sovereignty and democracy, regional and secular. See, the right answer is a socialist and secular. The two words added to preamble through the 42nd amendment of the Indian Constitution of India. 13th one MCQ question. On the Chennamma revolt against British from 13th one MCQ question. Chennamma revolt against the British from Mysuru, Kitturu, Belagavi, Chitradurga. Yes, you know the answer very well. Kitturu, Rani Chennamma. So Chennamma revolt against the British from Kitturu. And MCQ question number 14. Lokapal and Lokayukta are set up to check regional imbalance, corruption, communalism, practice of untouchability. Which is the right answer? The right answer is a corruption. Lokapala and Lokayukta are set up the check corruption. And 15th one MCQ question. The Constitution of India Article 51 advocates. The 51 article advocates, it is also very easy question. Free and compulsory education, uniform panchayat institution, social justice and welfare of people, and establishing the international peace and cooperation. See, free and compulsory education, Article 21A. It's said that the uniform panchayat institution was set up in the 73rd and 74th Panchayat Raj Act institution established 73rd and 74th amendment. See, Article 51 says that he established the international peace and cooperation. And 16th one MCQ question. In 1966, USSR had supported the Tashkent Agreement between India and Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Pakistan, India and China, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. The right answer is India and Pakistan. In 1966, USSR, United States of Soviet Russia, had supported the Tashkent Agreement between India and Pakistan. And 17th MCQ question. The Human Right Declaration was adopted on. Human Right Declaration was adopted in the year of the December 10, 1948, December 15, 1949, March 10, 1950, March 15, 1952. The right answer is December 10, 1948. On that day, the General Assembly adopted more than 30 human rights. The right answer is December 10, 1948. Hence, December 10 every year we celebrated the World Human Rights Day. And 18th one MCQ question. The cabinet of UNO is, the cabinet of the United Nations Organization is General Assembly, Trustship Council, Security Council, Secretariat. Which is the right answer? See, the right answer is the Security Council. The cabinet of the UNO is a Security Council, and but the Parliament of UNO is a General Assembly. See, cabinet of UNO is a Security Council, and the Parliament of the UNO is a General Assembly. Don't confuse here. And 19th one MCQ question. The chief architect of the Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi. Right answer is the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the chief architect of the Indian Constitution of India. The Book of Republic was written by. Who was written the Book of Republic? Aristotle, Plato, Karl Marx, Auguste Comte. Yes, the right answer is the Plato. He was written by the Book of the Republic. And 21st MCQ question. Karnataka State Raita Sangha was founded by. Who founded by the Karnataka State Raita Sangha? Rudrappa, Basavalingappa, M.D. Nanjundaswamy, N.D. Sundaresh. The right answer is M.D. Nanjundaswamy, but at that time its president was Rudrappa. 22nd MCQ question. Child Marriage Prohibition Act was passed in the year 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. The right answer is 2006. Child Marriage Prohibition Act was passed in the year. MCQ question number 23. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghat is Hanamudi, Harmakonda, Guru Shikara, Nilagiri. See, Hanamudi is the highest peak in Western Ghats, and it is also the highest peak in South India. Harmakonda is the highest peak in Eastern Ghats. Guru Shikara is the highest peak in Aravali range. Nilagiri is the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meet at the place Nilagiri. So right answer is Harmakonda. Highest peak in Eastern Ghats is Harmakonda. And 24th MCQ question. Dras near Kargil is prominent for lowest record rainfall in India, highest recorded temperature in India, lowest recorded temperature in India, highest recorded rainfall in India. Which is the right answer? See, the lowest recorded temperature in India is a -40 degree near Kargil. The Dras is the lowest temperature places. Highest temperature places in which place? Rajasthan near in a Jaisalmer, Ganganagar is the highest temperature. Highest rainfall area is Meghalaya in Mawsynram. It's the wettest place. Okay, and this is the importance. The right answer, Dras near Kargil is prominent for the lowest recorded temperature in India. The 25th MCQ question. The block soil is divided from the crystalline rocks, basalt rock, granite and coal. The right answer is the basalt rock. The block soil is also known as a divided from the basalt rock. It's also known as a regular soil. It's also known as a block cotton soil because of the high moisturing capacity have this soil. And 26th, stilt like root are found in mainly equatorial forest, tropical deciduous forest, mountain forest, mangrove forest. See, the tropical deciduous forest, these types of the forest shade their leaves. Mountain forest have the tallest trees, and the oak, deodar, cedar trees are there. And also in mangrove forest, stilt like roots are found. So the right answer is the mangrove forest. Stilt like root are found in the coastal area or delta, river delta. A 27th MCQ question. The west flowing rivers of peninsular plateau of India are. See the river systems of India. There are two types of the river system, northern rivers, southern rivers. In southern rivers also classified into the east flowing river and west flowing river. See, Mahanadi and Krishna. See, Krishna river is flowing in the east flowing. Mahanadi, it's a flowing in the east flowing. Tunga and Bhadra is also east flowing rivers. Narmada and Tapi is a west flowing river. Kaveri and Palar is also the east flowing river. See, the west flowing rivers of peninsular plateau of India is a Narmada and Tapi. You know, India are Narmada and Tapi. Narmada, its rise in the Amarakantaka, and Tapi rise in the Multai, and they flow toward the westward and western side and join the Arabian Sea. And 28 MCQ question. Shifting farming and sedentary farming are the two types of commercial farming, intensive farming, irrigational farming, subsistent farming. See, these are the types of the farming of the subsistence farming. Subsistence farming can be classified into the two types, shifting farming and sedentary farming. And 29, the gateway of India is. 29 MCQ question. The gateway of India is, very easy question. See, Mumbai is known as a gateway of India, and it is also known as a Manchester of India. And 30th one MCQ question. The iron and steel industry under the private sector among these. Ispat Steel Plant, Bokaro Steel Plant, Bhilai Steel Plant, the Salem Steel Plant. Which is the right answer? The right answer is a Ispat Steel Plant. This is the iron and steel industry under the private sector among these. 31 MCQ question. One of the measures for preventing coastal erosion is constructions of dam across the river, restrict the sand mining is coastal area, avoid the constructions of large dam and reservoirs, construction of the high-rise building. The right answer is a restrict the sand mining in coastal area. And 32 MCQ question. The oldest and still existing newspaper of India is a very easy question. See, the right answer is a Bombay Samachara. At present is known as a Mumbai Samachara. And 33 MCQ question. The port situated in the Union Territories of India among these. The Kolkata, West Bengal, Visakhapatnam, Ennore Port and Port Blair. See, right answer is a Kolkata is a east port, Visakhapatnam is a east port, Ennore is a Tamil Nadu port, it is also situated in east. Port Blair, it is a Union Territory port. So Port Blair is the right answer. And 34 MCQ question. When national income is divided by total population, we get gross national income, per capita income, standard of living, life expectancy. The right answer is a per capita income. The 35 MCQ question. Ashraya Yojana was implemented to provide employment for unemployed people, shelter for the shelterless people, agriculture land for landless people, and school for illiterate. The right answer is a shelter for the shelterless people. 36 MCQ question. A uniform system of Panchayat Raj institution throughout the country was established by 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993, 63rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1963, 53rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1953, 43rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1973. Which is the right answer? The right answer is a 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993. And 37 MCQ question. The account holder can withdraw, deposit any number of time in a day in types of account: saving bank account, current bank account, requiring deposit account, terms deposit account. Which is the right answer? The right answer is a current account. 38 MCQ question. The National Saving Certificate are issued by Post Office, State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, Land Development Bank. The right answer is a Post Office. 39 MCQ question. World Consumer Day is celebrated on 15th March every year, 14th February every year, 14th November every year, 15th August every year. The right answer is a 15th March every year. 14th MCQ question, the last MCQ question. Consumer Protection Act come into force in India in the year 1962, 1972, 1986, 1996. Which is the right answer? The right answer is a 1986. Dear student, this is an effort to help you to know the correct answer. Hoping I have answered all the questions and scored very good marks. This is just a model. Dear student, many of these questions we have discussed in our regular classes chapter wise. Still few more chapters are yet to come. I will give you a chapter every day. Keep watching, keep forwarding it to your friends. Thank you one and all.